I say that if we want to become influential in America, forget all this religious correctness stuff. That's between me and you, the Imam that we follow, the scholars that we read, and all that there. But we should not distinguish each other just on the basis of knowledge, or the basis of worship, or the basis of Islamic ideologies and words and phrases in Arabic language and all that. No. Let's be in a race to acquire resources and distribute those resources. Let's become the stewards. Let's become, the respected, the go-to people. And then you find out that people who's not from your ethnic group, people who are Arabs and Asians and Africans and white Americans, Spanish Americans, man, they wind up being your clients. They wind up listening to you and respecting you. And some of them enter Islam through you. And it's not because of the knowledge you have, it's because of the tune that Allah gave you that attracted them to come that direction.